Hello everyone, let's see how to enable touch keyboard in Windows 11. Go to the bottom side in taskbar, click on the start menu, and in search bar type here settings, click on it, and go to the left hand side, click on the personalization option. Here scroll down and click on the taskbar. Then again scroll down and here you can see option touch keyboard. To show the touch keyboard icon, in the right hand side, click on this drop down arrow and click on the always. After that, close this settings box and go to the taskbar, the right hand side bottom. On the taskbar, you can see touch keyboard icon. Also, you can check here the keyboard icon. Click on this icon and you can see your touch keyboard here open. Now you can easily use your touch keyboard. So here in the left hand side, you can see the gear icon settings option. So you can change the keyboard layout. So here default, compact, traditional. So I click on the traditional and see here the keyboard layout. Again, I go to the left hand side and click on the settings. And again, I click on the keyboard layout. Now I click on the Gamepad. And here you see the changes. And the left hand side here the option emojis also. Click on this emoji option and you can use this emoji. You can use here the GIF and you can search here the GIFs also, so you can use it easily. Okay, I just back and again I click on the settings icon and here the one option size and theme, just click on it and you can change the size of your keyboard. So theme, here I selected this one. You can check here the preview. Then in touch keyboard, here the keyboard size, you can easily increase. And you can see the preview also here showing the color and size of keyboard. So I just close this. Then key text size, I just click on this drop down arrow and I click on here large and view your changes. So I just open the keyboard and here you can see you can view your changes also. If you want to change anything, you can change here. Okay, so I just close this. Again, I click on the touch keyboard and now you can see the different look of keyboard showing. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.